Hello and welcome to my channel. I would like to tell you about my beginnings of learning Japanese. So far I am teaching myself the basics. I've started with Hiragana and I have a Hiragana keyboard on my phone, and based on that I came up with a little card game to help me learn the characters or hiragana. So what I have is I'll call them letters because I don't know any better and it's just easier for the time being. So there's all the different ones. This is how the keyboard is set out when I actually get them in order. I've been doing this for about a month. Not this specifically, but just Japanese stuff for about a month. So letters, culture, listening, not much talking. I tend to be very shy when it comes to talking, even in my own house. As you can see, I'm not really confident with their placement, but I've got them written on the back for cheats. So I kind of know the order. So they're the vowels. Oops, there they are. They're the vowels. They're the S. That's the T. They go down the bottom. They go down the bottom. That's the yo. Yo. Yeah. That is M. They're the M. No. Is that M? No. Yeah, M. Where's for... Or is that K? K. Oh, I get good at this. K. That one I don't know. I think that's the R's. Is it the R's? Ah. That's the nose. That's the H. They're the ones I started learning first. And it's kind of cute what I do, but I don't have my book here, but I sat down and wrote out the letters, and then I just chose a couple. I think I chose H and the T, and then I just sort of made little things that I would remember. So this is Fu, or I don't know how to pronounce it. Like I said, I haven't done pronunciations yet, but that looks like a face to me saying F you. And that's height. So that looks like a smiley face sticking a tongue out to me. So that's hi, happy. This one is ha. And I remember that because that looks like a H and an A to me. And by extension, that's a H and an O, so that's ho. This one is he or he. The one I remember that because he threw a boomerang. Looks like a boomerang to me. Nothing to do with a boomerang, but just because he threw a boomerang. And then over here, that is tsu. And stupid as it is, but it worked for me. I picture Costa Ju throwing a punch. That's his boxing glove. This one is a bit me-ish because that to me looks like 1/5, and it is chi. Now, before learning Japanese, I was actually learning Russian, sadly, which I had to stop because of geopolitical stupidity preventing, the world from being peaceful. I was actually going to learn Russian to get to Vladivostok from Japan. Funnily enough, there used to be a ferry, but it's closed now because of aforesaid geopolitical stupidity. Anyway, so this is chi. 1 minus 5 is 4 to me. 4 in Russian is chitiri. Chi. It works for me. That is ta. That just looks like a TA to me. That is toe. Toe. Again, apologies for the pronunciations. I'm not really good at it yet. But that looks like yo to me. So in my head, I just went yo, two. And then this is te, which vaguely in my head it looked like a T, cursive E, really random. Where are we up to? Okay, so my little game. That's the R's down there, the N and the U and the Y, and N, K, S. So the keyboard goes vowels, K, S, T, please keep up with the camera, Paul, N, H, M, wakey, that's Y, R, and then W, N. Then I have, then I'll just spill them all. I've got all these little cards, which cut out from those bits, and all I really do is just pick it up, and if I know it, I'll just go H, high. This one I don't know, but it's R, oh yeah, so there's a pattern to the keyboard. This is going to be R, U, Ro. Yeah, it's Ro. So it's U. So we'll start up here. So these are the vowels. See, U, E, O, E, and then A in the middle. And it just works that way as well. So that's going to be a U, that's going to be an E, that's going to be an O, that's going to be an E, and that's always going to be the R. That, by the way, is, I think, my favourite looking one. Very pretty. Okay, so then we keep going. I don't know this one. This one is it's here somewhere. No, you go back. I'm not very fast. All good, apparently. Care. Oh, it's right there, man. Come on. Doop, doop, doop. Anyway, so I just been doing this, and I'll keep on doing this. Care. Unfortunately, I also writ them down from 2 different websites. So the ones on these cards look different sometimes to these ones on these cards, because I'm a smart man. But that's key. No, key. Anyway, and what I've noticed through doing this is that when I am watching Japanese only, no English videos that have Japanese writing in the background, or just as read-alongs, I can actually pick some letters, which is very handy. Interestingly, going back to the Russian, that I think operates as a letter, which is obviously tsu, but it actually operates similar to the Tveriznak, you know, that Russian letter where it just indicates a stop, not a sound. So that's helpful that I've learned that through Russian. But yeah, this is my little game. And just beginnings. We shall see how we go. I think you meant to say, I don't know even know to say the word for goodbye yet. Konmoma? No, that's good night. Bye!